stomach and intestinal tract or a bad food combination. That's why you eat gas like that. Alright, so it goes on to say the body breaks down the food you eat into the following. Proteins are broken down into amino acids for building and repairing, uh, 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 yeah, building and repairing materials. Carbohydrates, starches, and complex sugars are broken down into simple sugars
Let's
for
go.
fuel. Fats are
Second
broken
tag.
down into fatty acids, excuse me, for building,
Second tag.
repairing, and emergency needs. It is important to remember that we have alkaline digestive enzymes in the mouth for carbohydrates and fats. We have acid pepsin digestive enzymes in the lower stomach for initial protein digestion. And when he's saying protein, y'all, I truly believe he's talking about a simple amino acid structure, which is digestion. Then we have alkaline digestion in the pancreas and throughout the first part of the
Third
small
set.
intestinal tract. Remember, it's called the duodenum or the duodenum. To finish up the job for
Third
protein,
set. Let's go.
starches, and sugars and fat, it is also important to understand that most of our processes are alkaline in nature. See, the body always wants to balance itself out because if you eating acidic forming food, a lot of them, and it's encountering the alkalinity, well, chances are you're gonna get neutral chemistry from that. But again, we've just been dumping acidic based foods inside of our bodies like crazy.
Seven.
Digestion is the first process that must take place in a healthy body, and many people fail right here. If you are very thin or lack adequate muscle tissue, it is a strong probability that your body has not been digesting, breaking down your food adequately. Second part is absorption.
Fourth set.
Once food are broken down, we must now absorb these building materials. Fuels and other components, which include tissue,
Fourth set.
salts, vitamins, tannins, alkaloids, flavins, and the like. These components are now carried by the bloodstream to the cells for energy, stimulation, building and repairing, or stored for future use. Absorption is accomplished through the villi, finger-like projections on the surface of the certain membrane and the small pores all along the mucosa membrane of the small and large intestine.
That's
This
what?
absorption should be simple, but most people
Thirty-seven.
intestines become impacted by a thick rubber-like substance called muconoid plaque. This thick plaque, which develops in the GI tract, is made of gluten, mucus, foreign proteins, and other food byproducts that act more like glue, excuse me, than nutrients. Refined sugar, grains, meat, and dairy products are the foods that are most
40.
responsible for the formation of this plaque. This mucinoid plaque blocks the nutritional components of our food from being adequately absorbed into the body. I have seen patients who have eliminated buckets of this black plaque from their intestines.
40.
Most of us fail in the second stage of food utilization to some extent because of this congested mucinoid plaque. Again, if you are thin and malnourished or lack adequate muscle tissue, a malabsorption issue must be considered.
47.
Anybody have any questions?
Got three more to go.
How do you get the plaque out?
You get the plaque out through fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Now, I hesitated because I didn't want to give a vague answer, but it's really just that simple. You get it out just through flushing the GI tract. And the only thing that
It's
gets
not
anything
those
with the
fruits that dark, right?